since the last time, in the last table, I tried to show you, I moved really the camera to show you each finding here that we found about this, that is minimal and so on. But now in this table you are going to see, and I really wrote every finding here, every skip, every verse I wrote, which is very highly statistic, especially according to Dr. Rottenberg, who says that if it is minimal, it even is more significant than statistics. So what you are going to see now is exactly this thing, and I'm going to show you the things. So the first thing, what you see in this table. So what you see in the table is the following. So you can see here, Yud Bnei Haman, the 10 sons of Haman. You can see it coming from here, Yud Bnei Haman, the 10 sons of Haman, and this is minimal in the Old Torah, which means, as you can see here, the 10 Yud Bnei Haman, minimal in the Torah. Yeah, Yud Bnei Haman, 10 Bnei Haman, minimal in the Torah. Now, this is really about this table, this Bible code, which is in Genesis. Let us skip 447. Interesting, 447 is the word death with this. But it's amazing, it comes only in 2 chapters in Genesis. So this itself, very, very significant. Right. And this is what's coming here. Then, what more you have here? So you have 10 sons of Haman, and here you have Tafshin Zayin, which is the year 5707, which is 1946, and you can see Bakeber in the grave. So in the year, even it's in Shnat, the year 5707, which is 1946, Bakeber, so those sons of Haman in the grave. So this is what you have here, Tafshin Zayin Bakeber, 537, this, and minimal in the Torah, okay? In the Torah, in the whole Torah, basic, this is minimal. It's amazing, already you see 2 minimals, right? Exactly, you think to yourself, what can be the chances that the son of Haman will come, and the year that they were in the grave, and this is also best meeting, which itself is one of the conditions for table. So let us see now what more you have here. Now, then you have here the word, in the sentence, they are Nazis. They were Nazis, those people. So this itself you can see here, you can see this sentence, you have here, they were Nazis, minimal in the Torah. Amazing, also minimal. Then what happened to the sons of Haman, the Nazis? Definitely very, very severe punishment in hell. Unbelievable. You can see the 2 words, Iplu, they will fall to the hell, right? And this is exactly what you see here, right? You see here, which is 2 words, there. Then, what we need more is unbelievable. We know that the heavenly minister of the Amalekite is named Samael. Yeah, Samael, which means want to blind God, does not want God to interfere in the world. This was the Nazis' word, we know what Hitler, what he said, that how can we believe in God? And, okay, but it's also the leftists, those who don't believe. So you can see it that it appears here, Samael with a snake, yeah? Every 7 letters, which is many with all the Torah, again, Samael with the angel of Amalek, minimal in the whole Torah, right? Unbelievable. Then what we have here, you have here the 10 sons, and you have here the words. The words are here, nitlu, they were hung, and reincarnation, that they were reincarnation of the 10, it means the Nazis, yeah, were reincarnations of the 10 sons of Haman. So it is really unbelievable to see it. And by the way, you have here the names of the 10 sons of Haman, but it's very difficult to see, but here you have small letter, Tav, Shin, Zayin, yeah? Difficult to see, but you have the small. Here, Tav, Shin, Zayin. Tav, Shin, Zayin is 707, which is the year 1946. So it means unbelievable, yeah? To see in this, only 2 chapters, by the way, in Genesis have it. You see, you can see Aleph in Genesis, and from chapter Memvav, yeah, chapter Memvav, from Mem-A, come to Memvav and Mem-Zayin, unbelievable. So it means you have, in this table, all this story, and all this story is the 10 sons of Haman, yeah, 10 sons of Haman, Tafshin the Kever, they were in the grave, the fall Sheola, because it's Samael. By the way, the Samael is the Gematria of Samael, 131, is the same Gematria like Haman, the butcher. Then you can see they were Nazis, and the snake, the snake according to the Midrash, is a symbol of the Amalekite, and yet we saw there the words Nitlu, which were parallel, interesting. If you saw clearly, it is very interesting that those is written here, you can see parallel Nitlu. Parallel Nitlu were hung. So it's really only, but you see the parallel is unbelievable, because you see the sons of Haman, Nitlu, were hung, and in the grave, yeah, exactly the ear, even it's written Shnat, the ear. And it's also minimally in the old Torah. So definitely this is a table, we should give it to statistics, that you see that it's very, very high. But for Dr. Rothenberg, which is a very, very famous scientist from Russia, he also wrote a book about the course, and he came from Russia, and he met Professor Rips, and Professor Rips showed him what are the course, and he checked it and wrote a book. All his truths, one can get it, yeah? All his truths showing that the quotes are true. So, interesting, I think very significant table, very significant one, and maybe somebody can find, maybe I can ask Professor Rips or Dr. This to find the statistic, because very likely the statistic is very high. So as I said, this is the same table I showed you before, but because I tried to emphasize and to make bigger the letters of the skip, so it looked like the paper. But here you have the full picture, everything clear. So, important, very, very, I think, significant table.